This is how you're going to switch to Canva Pro subscription and try 1 month free. Start by logging into Canva, and in the top right corner, click your profile picture. Now, if you can't find it at the top right corner, you would usually find it here at the bottom left corner, depending on the Canva version that you currently have. So you're just going to click on that and then click on plans and pricing. Another way to access your plans and pricing is through upgrade to Canva Pro. So this is basically a shortcut. So you're just going to click on that and then hit on upgrade. Now you're going to choose any plan that you have here. So you have here the monthly and then yearly. You can also do a one-time purchase for like 1 week, or you can also do a 1 day purchase. Now you're going to have to click on next after this. So for example, we just want a 1 day. We're going to click on next, and then you're going to finalize your payment by clicking on any payment method that you have. Now, if you can see here, there is no such thing as try Canva Pro free for 30 days. In my case, it's because my plan is already recurring. So take note that you can only see, or you can only try the Canva Pro free for 30 days if you haven't used it at all. And if your account is new, it's going to show up here. You're not gonna have to pay until the 30th day. So you have to be careful as well in canceling before the 30th day. Now, if you decide that Pro isn't for you and you are in free trial, just cancel before the 30 days end. You will keep your free trial benefits and avoid charges. Pro tip though, set a calendar reminder before your trial ends so you won't forget. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this.